Minister of Human Services and Social Security, Dr. Minister Persaud, on Tuesday reported an alarming 55% of Guyanese women who are exposed to violence. She made this disclosure during a panel discussion held at the Guyana Women's Leadership Institute, GWLI, at Cove and John on Tuesday as part of the ministry's 16 days of activism against gender-based violence. Minister Persaud reiterated the ministry's commitment to ensuring essential programs and initiatives are implemented to grapple with the growing issue.
In our own country, the numbers remain worrying. We have 55% of women who would have experienced some form of violence in their life, usually in a relationship setting. We will not rest. We will continue to work tirelessly until we manage to deliver effective, efficient services, and we manage to provide the kind of support that is needed for those persons who experience violence and abuse.
Meanwhile, UN Spotlight Initiative Program Officer and Attorney at Law Anuradha Persaud spoke of the legal aid accessible to women or victims of abuse. According to her, statistics show that it may take a woman 9 tries before she leaves an abusive relationship, and many times in Guyana, she may die at the hands of her abuser. She also said that the law offers protection to victims of abuse.
The Domestic Violence Act is not really an act to charge somebody with a domestic violence offense. It's an act to provide protection for you. It's about the victim. So some of the orders or the protection that the Domestic Violence Act provides is what we call a protection order. And a protection order basically is an order by the court ordering the perpetrator or anybody who enables the perpetrator to stay away from you. They'll have a certain amount of feet, and there are also other things they can order them to not do. If you live in the same house, they can order them to not verbally abuse you.
To ensure victims who come forward are safe and on the path to recovery, the ministry trained and employed survivor advocates to provide victims with the support and help needed to overcome their experiences. Additionally, the ministry is set to launch a gender-based violence app compatible with all smartphones in the coming year. The app will send locations of persons exposed to violence or in need of help to the ministry through the 914 hotline. The ministry will further use this period to amplify the work of the 914 hotline number as an important part of its fight against domestic abuse. Other activities planned during the 16 days of activism can be found on the ministry's Facebook page.